The unit name is analog and digital electronics. This is the content. So we are discussed so far about analog electronics. The analog electronics majorly what is there? OPAM, operational amplifier. So that one, okay, what is the IC of operational amplifier means IC 741 is the operational amplifier. IC 741 is the what type of package is coming means a DIP package, dual inline package. It has the leg, how many leg or how many pin means it has the 8 pins. Okay, how many input terminal? Two input terminal. What are the two input terminal? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is a input terminal. What is a 2 indicate? 2 is a negative. Negative means inverting terminals. Then 3 is a positive non inverting terminals. Okay, and what is output? Pin number 6 is the output. What are the power supply? There is a two power supplies required, plus VCC minus VCC, plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt. Okay, so this is about the operational amplifier, detailed about the operational amplifier. Okay, and configuration wise it is classified about ideal, okay, ideal characteristics and practical characteristics. So input impedance is infinity, input output impedance is 0 for ideal conditions. And similarly open loop gain is infinity, bandwidth is infinity, voltage is no difference of the voltage is equal. But practically it is not equal difference. Bandwidth is very small and gain, okay, somewhat lower than the ideal condition. And the next one, input impedance is infinity for ideal, but practically mega ohm. Output resistance or impedance is 0, okay, in ideal condition, practically not 0, okay, in order to some value. So these are the point we were discussed, okay, about the operational amplifier, analog electronics, inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier. Okay, non-inverting amplifier means give the signal to the third pin means 3. Okay, it is a positive pin. If you are going to give the signal to the positive pin means output is in phase, not 180-degree phase shift. That is the non-inverting. Inverting means if 180-degree phase shift. Okay, give the signal to the inverting amplifier, output is the 180-degree phase shift. So look it, okay, inverting terminal giving the signal to here 180-degree phase shift. Here is a plus means here is a minus. So 0, 180 and 360. So here is a positive means negative. So like 180-degree phase shift. So this is about the analog electronics we are discussed. And first one, analog and digital signal comparisons. So analog signal and digital signal, discrete value. It is continuously over a specific range. Continuously over a specific range. Greater accuracy, digital signal. So like the digital clock. And further more points, okay, I will going to show you here. See, here is a analog signal, here is a digital signals. Okay, it will going to come as like this is things. So thermometer, okay, analog we are used on thermometer. Okay, temperature measurement we are used in olden days when you are when you are got this fever. At the time you are going to checked with the help of the analog thermometer. Now it is a digital thermometer, digital measurement with the help of the operational amplifier. Okay, so this is a point about the difference between the analog and the digital in terms of that ones where it is a digital CPU is used. Okay, here is analog electronics devices. So like about that one, voice, okay, human voice in air instrument. So like analog technology recorder. So the analog devices is also we are used. Okay. Then next one is let's we go with that one, digital electronics. So digital electronics means simple to say CPU, central processing unit, computer as the CPU. So what is there inside? Inside what is there? Motherboard is there, processor is there, RAM is there. Okay, motherboard. Motherboard. What is a motherboard? Motherboard is a one of the main board. So motherboard. What is a motherboard? Motherboard is a one of the main in the CPU. Mother is one of the main in the family. Similarly in the CPU box, One of the main is the source. Main is the source is the motherboard. Then next one is a father is there. Similarly, here a processor is there. Children's is there in the family. Here is a memory. I mean a RAM, ROM. These are the memory available. Plus in addition with that one hard disk, CD drive. So these are the extra. It is available in the CPU. So main part is what is the main part? Motherboard, how it is that developed means it is a more number of IC is there, integrated circuit. What is there inside the IC? What is there inside the IC means it is a semiconductor devices, a diode, transistor, okay, transistor, SCR, MOSFET, IGBT. This is a combination to develop about the IC. It is a combination to develop the IC, integrated circuit is developed. Okay, how it is a working? So it is a working as a gate. So like the gate. So basic gate. Okay, this is a derived gate or universal gate, whatever you can say. This gate term gate based it is a working. Okay, how this gates are the operated? So how this gates means operated means already you have studied. It is a store the data in the binary form. It is a store the data in the binary form. Okay, that binary form. What is a binary form? 0 and 1 is a binary form. Okay, then the lengthy circuit is you will going to write in the simplest equation. The lengthiest circuit is you will going to write in the simplest equation, that is called the Boolean expression. Well, okay, how to write the simplest equation means apply the rules and the law. Okay, you will going to apply the rules and the laws. A plus b whole squared is equal to what is the answer? A squared plus b squared plus 2 into a 2 into ab. So that is the rules and laws. So that rules and laws based, you will going to substitute the a value and the b value and find out the answers or simplify the equation. Similarly, simplification of the Boolean expressions. So we go with that one this part now. Okay, digital electronics. So already in about the gates. So gates we are discussed in the last class. So practical session we were totally discussed. So what are the gates? AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, so AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. It's a basic gates. Basic gates. So what are the possibility? Yeah, we'll go with that one gates. So this is a basic gate. So basic gate, basic three gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, how many input terminal? These are the two simplest question. It is not asked in the MCQ of your in sem or end sem level. Okay, but you should know about this simplest one. How many input terminal in the AND gate? Two input terminal. How many output terminal? One output terminal. OR gate. So this is a symbol of the representations. So what is the symbol of representation of OR gate? This is symbol. Okay, what is the output of the AND gate? Maybe I will go try. What is output of AND gate? What is output of AND gate? AND gate. Z is equal to what is output of the AND gate? Output Z is equal to A plus B or A minus B or A into B. Okay, A into B. So what is the answer? Input terminal. So A B. So A into B. Multiplication of A into B. That one you should know. Okay, what is output of the OR gate? What is output of OR gate? Z it is equal to. So they will A plus B. Okay, what is output of the? What is output of NOT gate? Z is equal to what is that one means? So what is input? A is input, so A bar. So A bar is a output terminal. So this is the statement you should know, very important. That's all. So AND gate means A into B. So 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay, OR gate means 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 don't say about that one 2, it's a 1 plus 1 1. So this is about the OR gate. What is NOT gate? 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Okay, so this is the IC. See, this is the IC about that one available. Okay, 7808. So 7808 for AND gate. Okay, 7432 for the OR gate. 7404 is the NOT gate. See the IC inside, how many AND gate is there? Look it, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 AND gate is there. You can give the input here, you will going to get the output. Okay, IC 774 question. Okay, what is IC 7408? What is IC 7408? So AND gate. You should say about that one, AND gate. 7805 means it is a voltage regulator. IC 7408 means it is AND gate. So easy to remember. What is that one voltage regulator you have studied? 78XX. You studied positive voltage regulator. See 8 is the end. Okay, 7408. So 7 is starting, 8 is the end. 8 divided by 2, what is answer? 4. That is a 4. 740208 means AND gate. Easy to remember. Okay, then next. What is IC 7432? 74432. 432 means OR gate. Just you can remember. 4325. You can say about the numbering in the reverse order. Reverse, even descending order. 5 4 3 2 1 0, like you are saying. Okay, so only 4 digit. So 4 digit means, so 1 2 3, sorry, one is I want to remove. Okay, so here, okay, 7 4 3 2. So you like, you will going to remember. Okay, then what is IC 7404? 7404, that is IC, means it is a NOT gate. So 4 is coming. Okay, here also 4 is coming, means that is called a NOT gate. So like you will going to remember, keep in your mind about the IC. Okay, that's all. We are already depthly discussed about AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Okay, this is also safe continuations. We are drawing in terms of the diagrams. So 0 into 0, 0, 0. Okay, AND gate. So multiplication, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So like you will go to draw the curve. Okay, in the, this is a digital form of the, how the digital form, how the digital waveform is coming. Like this is the method the digital waveform is coming. Okay, and so already we have discussed about that one, gates. Okay, truth tables. Okay, in symbolic way of the method. Okay, this is AND gate. AND gate means two switches are connected in series. AND gate, okay, it's a symbolic method representation of AND gate. A symbolic. Uh, the way of representation of AND gate is two switches. Okay, they are okay. The way of representation of AND gate is two switches are connected in series. That one you should very clearly know. The way of representation of AND gate is two switches are connected in series. That should be very clearly. Okay, the way representation of OR gate is two switches are connected in parallel. Two switches are connected in parallel. Okay, so you should be that one very clearly, you should know. So these are the basic gate we have discussed so far. Okay, and uh, see, this is a gate expand form. Oh, what is a gate expand form? And gate means multiplication. Okay, how many input? 3 input. Then you can write A, B, C, 3 input. So why do I want to give this one over here means the simplification you are going to study it. That simplification is when you go there, it is needed. You should know. What is this one? OR gate. OR gate means additions. How many input? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. That is the OR gate. So this is a simplification purpose. What is the purpose you want to learn this one means? Okay, you are learning for simplification purpose. So learning, what is the purpose you are learning? Learning for this one is a simplify. Okay, simplification or the simplification or simplify. Okay, So that is the purpose you are going to learn. And then next one, derived gates. Next one is a derived gate. What is meaning for derived gate? Derived gate means a combination of two. Combination of two is a derived. Combination of two is called a derived. Okay. So here one more question. What are the basic gates? What are the basic gates? So what are the basic gates? You should say AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate is a basic gate. Okay, what is a derived gate? What is okay? What are the derived gates? So you can say about NAND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, okay, XOR gate. So these are the derived gate. So derived. What is a NAND? Already I drawn the diagram NAND. And okay, what is NAND? What is NAND? NAND NAND gate. What is a NAND gate? AND gate and AND gate plus NOT gate. Okay, what is NOR gate? NOR gate means OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, OR gate plus NOT gate. OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, then next one. Yeah, this is I said. Okay, AND gate symbol. Okay, NOR gate is symbol. Okay, what is XOR gate? XOR gate. XOR gate means what is that one? XOR gate. X plus sorry X into Y bar plus X bar into Y. So and this and plus and two and is added, and plus and is added, two and is added, two and is added, that is called XOR gate. Two and is added, two and is added. What is that one? Two and is added, that is called XOR gate. Two and. Okay, what is XOR gate? What is XOR gate? So if you want to say answers, you can look it here. So X into Y bar is AND. So the X bar into Y is also AND. Okay, because multiplications. See, look it. So here is one AND. This is another AND. Okay, two AND is added. Two AND gate is added. Two and and gates are added. Okay, that is called XOR gate. That is called XOR gate. Okay, so you can draw the diagram, then you will going to understand what is that one. And gate you can draw, and gate you can draw. These two you will going to output, you will going to OR gate. So this is a OR gate. What is this? This one? This is a X into Y bar. What is this one? This is a X bar into Y. So these two is added. So you can give the input like that about the two input. What is the input you will going to give? X into Y bar you can give, X bar into Y you can give here. So two input you can give like that ones. That is called a XOR gate. XOR gate. Okay. What is XNOR gate? What is XNOR gate means? This XOR, okay, bar. So this answer, okay, this answer, what is this answer? Okay, take this answer, okay, so whole I will going to put it on the bar. So now down, what is X NOR gate? What is X NOR gate means? XOR bar. That's all. Answer is XOR bar. Okay, XOR bar. So like about the gate. Okay, so what is a derived gate means? NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate. So what is NAND means? And plus NOT. What is NOR means? OR plus NOT. What is XOR means? Two AND gate are added. Okay, added. What is XNOR gate means? XOR gate bar. So that is about the XNOR gate. XNOR gate. So this is about the derived gates. Derived gates. So here also possibilities. What is IC7400 means NAND gate. Okay, what is IC7400? Okay, what is IC7400 means you should say about NAND gate. NAND gate you should be say. What is IC 74702? Okay, if it is means you should say about that is called a NOR gate. Okay, then what is IC 7486 means that is called a XOR gate. XOR gate. XOR gate. So you should say. Okay. Here, what is output of the NAND gate? It's a question. What is output of NAND gate? NAND and plus not is called NAND. What is output? Okay, A B bar. A B bar, or you can say A bar into B bar. A B bar. Okay, A B whole bar. How to write A B whole bar? Like you are going to write A B whole bar. So that is called NAND output. Okay, what is output of? What is output of NOR? A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Okay, so that one. That's all. So these all are the derived gates. These all are the derived gates. Then next one, okay, universal gate. So universal gate, like you will going to look at universal gate. Okay, it's nothing but a extension of the derived gate. Extension of the derived gate. See, you can take it here. So input A, input B. There is a two inputs. So two input. NAND 1 is used, NAND 2 is used, NAND 3 is used, NAND 4 is used, NAND 5 is used. So this is extension of the derived gate is called. So this is a universal gate. So here is a NAND. So here is a what? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are combinations. So this is another combinations. So here is a 1, okay, 2, 3. How I will going to apply the inputs? So, so input I will going to give, this is a one input. This I will going to consider as another input I will going to give. So like about here NAND. So NAND. So all the NAND gate. You can look at all the NAND gate is only taken. So all the NAND gate is okay, output is we are going to develop. So what type of combinations you have? Look at about that one. So this is output. What is output? So A B, there is a two terminal input that is sorted. Okay, giving the input and produce the output. Okay, one input, one output. Okay, if it is a 0 0, okay, that is also same. 0 0 or 1 1, it's a common. Okay, it is input means what is output? Okay, bar. If it is means 1 means output is also it is multiply. 0 into 0 0 bar. Bar means opposite. 1 into 1 1, that bar is a 0. So like it is a derived. Okay, so derived the NOT gate. How to derive the NOT gate? This is a method you can derive. So this is a NOT gate is derive the NOT gate. Okay, AND gate you can derive. So I don't have the AND gate. What is AND gate? IC AND gate IC is the AND gate IC7408. I don't have. I have only NAND gate IC. That is what is a NAND gate IC? IC7400 I have. Then is it possible? Can you develop about AND gate? Yes, it is a possible. See, look it on the truth table. You will going to achieve about the NAND. AND gated truth tables. How? If you have the two AND gates, if you have, then you can develop the AND gate. So three NAND gate if you have, you can develop the OR gate. You have four NAND gate is there, then you can develop the NOR gate. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 okay NAND gate if you have, you can develop the XOR gate. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 NAND gate if you have, then develop the XNOR gate. So this is called a okay universal gate. So universal gate means what? So NAND gate used to okay develop any gate. So what is universal universal gate. Okay, NAND gate, NAND. NAND gate uses to develop any gate. Is it possible NAND gate used to develop the AND gate? Yes. NAND gate is used to, can you develop the OR gate? Yes. NAND gate used to, can you develop the NOR gate? Yes. NAND gate used to develop the XOR gate, XNOR gate? Yes. All the gate I will going to develop. All the gate I will going to develop. That is called a universal. Okay. Similarly, next one more combination. Okay, universal gate NOR gate. So NOR gate is that. What is the ready-made NOR gate? Okay, I see NOR gate is 7402. So 7402. Okay, so 7402 is a NOR gate. NOR gate IC. Is it possible NOR gate used to develop the NOT gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate? Yes. So it is a possible to you can develop. That is called a universal gate. That is called a universal gate. So universal gate is what is universal gate? One more question. What is universal? Universal gate. So you can say NAND, NAND and NOR gate. So this gate uses to develop the. So here is a you can say NAND gate and NOR gate uses to develop any gate. Okay, not a both combination, individual combinations. Okay, so here is the same as similar. So here it is used to develop about the gates. Okay, so far we have discussed about the gates. So let's we move to the another part, that is called Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra will go on to the part. So before that once, yes, these are the gates. So extensions. Okay, so that's all. So Boolean algebra, we'll going to deal with that one. So deal with the binary variables. So 0 and 1 and logic operations. So binary variables and logic operations is called a Boolean algebra. So deal with the binary variables and the logic operations. Okay, so deal with the binary variables and the logic operation is called the Boolean algebra. So question, what is a Boolean algebra? So deal with the binary variables and the logic operations. Okay, question. So deal with the binary variables and the logic operation is called what? Is called Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. Okay, so you will going to tell about the answers. Okay, so next we're going to look at laws. This is a law. So laws and then a pair about the law and remarks about that one and a name. Okay, and this is a rule. So laws and rules you need to know, memorize it. What is the laws about saying a plus b? How to write b plus a? A plus b. Okay, a plus int b plus a. But these all are the plus. So a plus b plus c I will go and write. Okay, a into b plus c. How to write? A b plus a c I will write. Okay, so this is a law you should be know. A plus 1, what is answer? 1. So a plus 1 means 1. A plus 0 means a. A plus a means a. A plus a bar means 1. A plus ab, it is equal to a. A bar is equal to a. So these like about you want to know about the statements. So these are similarly if it is addition, so multiplications. A into b, b into a. A into bc, so ab into c. A plus bc, so a plus b into a plus c. Then here a dot b, a. Okay, multiply a into 1, sorry, okay, a dot 1, a dot is 0, anything 0, 0. So similarly here a plus 0, a plus 1, 1. 1 is higher. Okay, a into a plus a. Okay, a plus into a bar is equal to 1, a into a bar is equal to 0. If it is plus means 1, it is dot means 0. Okay, a bar is equal to a. Okay, then here a plus ab is equal to a into ab is equal to a into a plus b is equal to a. So like you should be know about this ones. Why do you want to know means for simplifications? Okay, simplification purpose you want to know. So this is a things you will want to learn it. Okay, and what is a law? They will going to ask you one more question. Cumulative law. What is a cumulative law means? A plus b, it is equal to b plus a. That is called a cumulative law. Cumulative law. So this is a you know very well. A plus b is equal to, you can write b plus a. A dot b is equal to b dot a. Okay. So question: what is cumulative law? What is, okay, commutative, okay, not a cumulative, commutative, okay, commutative law. Commutative law means, so you can say a plus b, it is equal to b plus a, you can say, or you can say a dot b, it is equal to b dot a. So commutative law you means you should know. Then associative law. Okay, what is associ associate associative associative law? What is associative law? A plus b plus c, it is equal to a plus b plus c. Or they will going to ask you like, okay, I will going to ask you like this one. A, okay, a into bc, it is equal to bc, it is equal to, what is that one? So ab into c, you can write. Okay, ab into c. Next, distributive law. What is the distributive law? So a into b plus c is equal to, okay, what is distributive law? A into b plus c, it is equal to ab plus ac. Okay, then identity law. Okay, this is identity law, these are the identity law. Next, absorption law. So absorption law you should know, a plus ab. What is, okay, absorption law? So what is absorption law? A plus ab, it is equal to a. Okay, otherwise a into a plus b, it is equal to a. Okay, like the possibilities of the one more question from that one, laws and rules from that one possibilities. This is the AND gate, this is the OR gate. So the same here implemented. What is that implemented? So 1 into a, okay, 1 into a, yes, written. So a 0 into a, 0 into anything 0, a into a, okay, a into a bar is equal to 0. So that one we have whatever written, that is here written. Okay, similarly OR gate means 0 plus a is equal to a, 0 plus a is equal to a, 1 plus a is equal to 1. Okay, 1. Then a plus a is equal to a plus a bar is equal to 1. So this is the inverse law. So like about the has that one law. Okay, and this is already we are discussed. Okay, let's we go to the De Morgan law. So this is a De Morgan law, it is a possibilities question. What is De Morgan law? This is a law, De Morgan law. One law and second law. Either AB they will going to give, or XY they will going to give. Okay, XY they will going to give. So or AB, it's a small letter AB or capital letter AB, whatever, all are the equal. See that one, all are the same statement. So only one things you should be know about these two very. So this is a one you should be know. This is another second of the theorems you should know. So these two you should be very clearly know. Okay, De Morgan theorems. Okay, find the De Morgan's, okay, De Morgan theorem. So what is that one? Open the bracket, a dot b whole bar, it is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, then one more possibility is find the De Morgan theorem. One more theorem, what is it saying? A plus B bar. So here you can look at A dot B, it is A plus B, A plus B, it is equal to, what is that one? I mean dot is replaced into the plus, plus is replaced into the dot, that's all. So A bar, okay, here is a plus is there, so replace into the dot, then B bar. So here what is the differentiations? See, look it. Okay, here you can look at dot is there, replace into the plus, plus is there, replace into the dot. See, look it, dot is replaced into the plus, plus is replaced into the dot. Remaining things is as similar. Either A B can use or X Y you can use, whatever it may be. See, here I have written on the left hand side, confuse it. Okay, so what is that one? Plus is there, replaced into the dot. Okay, here dot is there, replaced into the plus. Otherwise what you can say? Okay, otherwise you can say uh, like left hand side is here coming, right hand side is coming here, x bar y bar, or how do you can write x into y whole bar. Okay, so like you can say about that one. Okay, so these are De Morgan theorems. Okay, this is a proof about the De Morgan theorems. This is about the proof about the De Morgan theorems. And this tabulation you can look at the proof. A B, there is a two input 0 0. Okay, leave it about this ones. Okay, you can look it on this table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 A B. First A into B. You mean A into B is called AND gate. Okay, A into B. So multiply 0 into 0 0. 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, and get then bar. So A into B whole bar means just opposite. 0 is replaced into the 1, 0 replace 1, 0 replace 1, 1 is replaced into 0. So this is the left hand side. Yes or no? I completed. Then I want to go with that right hand side. Right hand side, what is right hand side? AB. What is AB? Same combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. I need to find out the A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. So first A bar you will going to write. So first A bar you will going to write. So what is A bar? 0 is replaced 1 1 0 0. Similarly B bar you can find out. Okay, 1 0 1 0 you will going to replace to that one. Then you will going to do, okay, add these two, A bar plus B bar, add additions. 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. Okay, then you will going to, okay, you will going to get it on the answer A bar plus B bar. Then now you can look at these two is the same. Similarly this is also same method. Or A plus B, then A plus B whole bar. Okay, similarly I will going to find out A bar plus A bar B bar, then multiply A bar into B bar. Okay, that is answer. This answer and this answer are equal. This is called a De Morgan theorems. This is called a De Morgan theorems. Okay, so this is about the De Morgan theorems. Actually this is a, you can look at universal gate. This is a NAND gate. This is a NAND gate. This is a universal gate. Universal gate used to I will going to develop. This is a NOR gate, ready-made NOR gate. This is a universal gate used to I will going to develop. Okay, that's all. These are combinations. Okay, so that's all about the Boolean algebra. Digital circuits, digital electronics is over. So today what we were discussed, basic gates, derived gate, universal gates, like we were discussed. Then after that rules and laws we were discussed, and after that De Morgan two theorems we were discussed. Okay, simplification of the Boolean expression. So that one we're going to discuss on the next one. Okay, so simplification means this is called a simplification. This is called a simplifications. And gate, so not and gate, it's a NAND gate. Okay, it's a not is there. So NAND gate plus one NOT gate is there. So like I will go to what is answer? Can you write the answer? Yes, I will write. So this is called a simplification. So if it is a not is not there, see what is a and x into y. So not is there, so x bar. Then what is a here output? Xy. Otherwise you can say xy double bar. So bar is cancelled. Xy this bar and this bar. So bar is cancelled. So answer is xy. So this is simplification. Okay, here you can go to the next one. You can look at this one. You can tell me x is giving input, y is giving input. What is output? X bar, y bar. And what is this one? And not. First and you can do x bar plus x bar into y bar. This is and I have completed. Then not. So not is there. So full bar. So bar is cancelled. So xy. So answer, this answer is not correct. So answer is, what is answer? Xy. X into y. X into y. This is the answer. X into y. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer about that one. So this is called a simplification. This is called a simplification. So lengthy about that one, you want to simplify. Okay,